solve. Minus 12. Negative 1p is greater than or equal to negative 39. Divide by negative 1. Because you're dividing by a negative, you have to flip the inequality sign. And when I say dividing by a negative, I mean that the bottom number is negative. All right, so it doesn't actually matter that the 39 is negative. It's the bottom number being negative that tells you that we have to flip this sign around the other way. And so this is my answer here. We do need to practice putting it on a number line. Put 39 on it. It is a closed-in dot because it has the line underneath. And this arrow here is pointing to the left, so I'm going to make my arrow point to the left. All right, this guy here is a solving one, so I'm going to draw my line. First step is to distribute, so I'm going to distribute the negative 5. I'm going to distribute the 2. Negative 5k plus 15 equals 14 minus 2k. Then you try to combine. There's nothing to combine. There's nothing to combine. So then I'm going to move my variables. So I'm going to add 2k until you get negative 3k. Drop down the 15 equals 14 minus 15. So negative 3k equals negative 1. And then divide both sides by negative 3. And so then you get k equals, if you type that in your calculator, so negative 1 divided by negative 3, you are going to get 0.3333. If you want to turn that into a fraction, math, and then hit enter under fraction, and then enter again, and it'll turn it into a fraction. So you can either write that as 1 over 3 or 0.3 repeating. Alrighty, problem number 8 is an inequality. So I'm going to draw my line. First step is going to be to distribute. So distribute the 3. So you get 3z plus 21 plus 4. Drop down the negative 2z. And here's my inequality sign. Then combine. So I can combine the 21 and the 4. So 21 plus 4 is 25. Then you're going to move your variable. So I'm going to minus the 3z. Minus 3z. So you get negative 5z less than 25. Divide by negative 5. Now once again, because you're dividing by a negative, you got to flip around the inequality sign. And so because this guy here is negative, we flip around the inequality sign. All right, flip it over. All right, on 11 through 14, it says solve, and I'm going to do a couple of these in the calculator to kind of remind you the calculator steps. Hi, Hudson. Did you wake up? She's okay. All right, so when you're doing the calculator, you are going to plug the left side into Y1 and the right side into Y2, exactly as you see it, and just be really careful typing it in. So 0.2, parentheses, 40. You have to type X in place of your numbers. Your calculator does not like the T. So make sure you're using X, not numbers, in place of your letters. You're using X in place of your letters. Okay, so you type it all in. You're going to hit graph.
You want to go get Sadie with me?
Hi, buddy.
Are you ready?
No, I'm still going.
Why did you turn the light off?
Because I need to be able to see the calculator on my screen. Okay, so once you graph it, then you go second, and you hit trace, and then you go down to intersect. I'll be done soon.
So you want me to wait?
I would wait, yeah. Well, I don't know. So second, trace, intersect, enter, and oh geez, I was hitting the negative sign. All right, let's do that again. Second trace, go down to intersect, enter, and then it'll pop up. Remember, the x value is your answer. So this one here is 2.5.
Mommy,
What's up, bud?
why is Hassan taking a nap?
Because he was tired. All right, so let's try this one. So on this one, I'm going to type the left side in. Now, if it comes first, this is a negative sign, not a minus. 4x plus 2